Doctor, am I okay?
Mark, I regret to inform you, but you've been diagnosed with Flurbergamous pneumophthisis.
What does that mean?
I don't know.
Oh, what? What is this place? Commander?
Yes, Sergeant? What happened to your voice?
I don't know. All of a sudden, it just became really. Hey, sorry.
Ah, that's better. What were you about to tell me?
Well, there's dimensional activity.
Interdimensional activity? Where?
Right here. Is that my sneeze? I must be sneezing up something weird. ¡Hoy! El calor está de vuelta. ¿Qué? ¿Yo hablo español? Oh, Mark, are you okay? Maybe that hit to the head will do you some favors. No, the world is not in black and white, and no one speaks Spanish except for the Spaniards. Actually, a lot of other places speak Spanish. Cuba, Mexico, Argentina. What? Wait, black and white? Peru, Guatemala. Spanish. Puerto Rico. Scott, I need to tell you something. Ecuador. It's totally crazy, but you have to. So when you get that couch, my fine couch. We've always had that couch. Who are you? It's Mom. Ernest Tootinus Cowboy on the Wild Wild East. Wild East? Oh yeah, we're not even settled in. We gotta all go out east if we want our space. Whoa, stay! How's it going? Why'd you put your shirt back on? We gotta go hit them gnarly barrels. I've always had my shirt back on. Who are you?
Oh, Scott, is that you?
Is that you?
Oh, Scott, I was transported to the wild east, and then to a dimension where everybody had an ocean across the USA, and everybody was surfing like California, yay! And, you should have seen them. They were wearing their baggies, raunchy sandals, they had bushy blonde hairdos. It was crazy.
Wait, what's happening?
Okay, I think whenever I sneeze, I switch places with myself from a different dimension.
Mark, do you have flurbiderba-sneevelosis? Gesundheit. No pun intended. I'm only allergic to peanuts. No, it's flurbiderba-sneevelosis. Whenever you sneeze, you switch dimensions. It's so rare that even the doctors don't even know what it is.
You!
No, stop! I'm your best friend.
I guess that could be true in this dimension, but I have to be sure. What's my favorite color?
It's blue.
Actually, mine's gray, but I see how that could work. What's my favorite fruit?
It's orange.
Ah, so much I have to learn. So what color is this orange?
Orange.
Wait, are you just naming fruits after the color they are? In that case, do you call this blend of colors pineapple, or do you call this fruit yellow-green? No matter. Anyway, more importantly, Scott, there's a man in my dimension who's hunting me and all Marks because of our ability to cross dimensions every time we involuntarily spasmodically exhale out to our noses.
You mean sneeze?
Is that what you call it in this dimension?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, then yes. Back in my dimension, you see, I'm a spy, and I've been spying on Ben and Scott and their operations for months. I've been sneaking up behind them when they don't even know it, taking pictures of their secret evil plans, taking selfies. I even posted one on my Instagram feed. It got all of 22 likes. I'm Instagram famous. I would even infiltrate their morning jogs, day after day. I'm the stealthiest agent my force has ever seen. They wouldn't even notice I was there. I am basically a stealthy Black Panther stalking its prey. Scott?
If you're here, then where's Mark?
Oh, I'm shackled! Get me out of there!
Have you found the man?
Yes, his name is Mark Christopherson.
Perfect. We capture him, and then we use his ability to take over all dimensions.
See?
see you've waken up. Don't worry, we've drugged your body so much that any movement will result in excessive drowsiness. Huh. Who would have thought?
Good night, my angel, time to close your eyes and save these questions for another day.
How much did we get? It's enough. For now. But we have to chase after Mark. He couldn't have gotten far. We drugged him a lot.
One more stare.
I don't think we have a lot of time. You see, they drugged me a lot, and then they took my blood, just a little bit. But I think they might be coming to our dimension.
What do we do? Mark!
I think I see a watermelon.
Mark! Snap out of it!
Okay, Scott, I think I have a plan. If we can use the powers of all Marks cross dimension, and then we can team up cross dimension, we can outsmart Ben and all of his cross dimension hunters, and we can win this battle cross dimension.
Who is that guy? I have no idea.
You ain't serious about that, right? I mean...
No! Mark, let me show you my laboratory.
Wow. This is very,
Danky?
yeah, that's what I was gonna use, actually.
Yeah, well, I did my research, and it turns out that dankiness actually helps you control your sneezing. So I can have a full conversation with the Flurbiderba dude.
Not have him sneeze away on you. That's nice. This looks like a heater room.
Yes, I made it out of an abandoned heater room.
Abandoned? That looks like it's working.
Okay, I made it out of my mom's heater room. I may or may not live in my mom's basement.
You live in your mom's basement.
Well, I may not. For this plan to work, you need to be able to control which dimension you sneeze to.
Ah, yes. Also, I need to know if I can take somebody with me when I sneeze.
So that's the plan.
How much time do we have?
I don't know. It's Ben's Troopers!
We gotta go! It's the cross-dimensional Guitar Man!
I would help you.
Thanks, cross-dimensional Guitar Man. But Scott, there will be more hunters. We gotta go. Cross-dimensional Guitar Man. Are we ready?
Ready.
Let's take these hunters down.
Mark. What?
So that's what my doppelganger looks like.
You're not Mark.
Wait,
If you sneeze, he dies.
if he dies, I die.
If I die, then we're probably all dead. Wait, you realize we both have guns pointed at us, right?
Yeah, this wasn't a very good plan. Scott, there's too many variables in this equation.
What?
actually.
Yeah. Home sweet home. So, justice! This is a workout! Yeah, never skip leg day, kids! Woo! I'm from the mall! Yeah! Beauty, pain, uppercut of justice, ready? Beauty, beauty, pain, pain, beauty, beauty, pain, pain, beauty, pain, and the uppercut of justice! Then, here we go. Here we go, here we go. The super slam, power! Super slam, power! Oh, yeah! Woo! Alright. Scott, vest holding up. Here, take this. Check out this. Mark should be here any second. You don't want to do that.
What?
Doctor,
Mark,
am I okay?
I'm. Try this again.
Sergeant.
I'm Commander. It's okay, that'll be a blooper. Okay, go ahead.
Commander.
Yes, Sergeant. What's wrong with your voice?
Sir.
Okay, so you'll just be like,
Commander.
I don't know. All of a sudden, it just became really. I was just gonna tell you.
Oi, el calor está violenta. Ah, I forgot that.
Oh, Mark, are you okay? Maybe that hit to the head will cure you. No, we do not speak Spanish, and nothing is in black and white. Who are you?
Mark.
And what? You?
Oh, Scott, I was transported to the wild, wild east, and then I was,
have you found the man yet?
Yes. His name is Mark Christopherson.
Sweet. I wouldn't say sweet.
get it so I
Your
can
food
move up and down on this.
digesting is just 30 feet away.
Owl scan?
Like a lot of them. Yeah.
I am.
Alright, keep filming. Don't move. Try not to move, Mark. Try not to.
You.
Maybe we can just. Yep. Just try to get that. Right, alright, now say. Whoa, gnarly Rubens. Go.
Gnarly ribbons, bruh.
I'll get this over there.
Just use a smaller pillow.
No. You have to be muy gordo.
What's funny about Spanish is that gordo and guapo are so similar.
Yeah, but with English, it's cool and constipated sound the same.
No, they don't.
Yeah, but awesome, amazing, awesome,
And then
awful.
leaning over that.
Mark! Alright,
Seriously?
I am Marky Lawrence Chamberlain.
Well, we're battling an interdimensional tyrant, and all I have to work with is some sneezy guys.
Beat him up, beat him up, beat him up!
No, but be
Come on, Dougie.
Mark, snap out of it!
Damn,
Okay, bad and watch out, I might drop the guitar on you.
I'm not gonna move.
Okay. Do you need me to narrate?
Wait, beauty, pain, just uppercut of Jessica.
If you sneeze, he dies.
Listen, no, let me tell you something.
If you sneeze, he dies.
If he does, I shoot you.
You can go whenever.
Alright, go ahead.
3, 2.
I don't know when it's coming.
Oh, beautiful.
Okay, cross-dimensional guitar man. Or wait, no.
Nope.
Oh my goodness.
Ready. Wait, I'm spent.
I will help you.
Wait, Mark, stand there. Jake? Alright, now, I'm not going to stop it, but I want you to get off the chair. And Mark, let's take these hunters down, and then hold your guitar like a bat. Alright, go ahead.
So, do you call this fruit pineapple?
Start over.